Are you interested in making money on Fiverr and only spending 5 minutes per order? In this video, I will tell you guys the easiest way to make money that doesn't require any skills. It is like printing money. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. This AI will do everything for you. You will become a travel planner on Fiverr. Travel planning can seem overwhelming, especially if you're new to the field. But with this AI, you can streamline the process and deliver top-notch travel itineraries to your clients without spending hours researching and planning. Whether you're a travel enthusiast looking to monetize your passion or someone who wants to make money with zero experience on travel planning, this video is for you. As travel restrictions ease up and more people are eager to explore the world again, the demand for travel planners is higher than ever. Fiverr provides an excellent platform to showcase your skills and connect with clients from all over the globe. And with this website, you can leverage the power of AI to create customized itinerary that meet your clients' specific needs and preferences. You will just copy and paste the itinerary and get your money. Now let's get started. The first step is to make a compelling profile on Fiverr. Here are some tips for creating a compelling profile. Emphasize your ability to deliver customized travel itineraries. Highlight that you can create unique and personalized travel plans for clients just like other successful travel planners on Fiverr. Set reasonable charges for your plans. Make sure your pricing isn't too high. After all, you're using AI for planning. To simplify the process of creating itineraries or travel plans, we'll be using RoamAround. RoamAround is a free travel planning website that uses artificial intelligence AI to assist users in planning their trips. Users can input the name of the place they want to visit, and the AI-powered system generates relevant information and suggestions to help plan their travels. To access RoamAround, simply visit roamaround.io and enter the name of your desired destination in the search tab. In just seconds, RoamAround will generate a detailed 7-day itinerary for you, saving you time and effort in the travel planning process. It's a user-friendly tool that can quickly provide you with customized travel plans for any place you want to explore. Give it a try and experience the convenience of AI-powered travel planning with RoamAround. Once RoamAround generates your itinerary, it also provides you with the option to make changes. You'll be asked if there's anything you'd like to modify or adjust in your itinerary. This feature allows you to customize your travel plans according to your preferences and make any necessary tweaks to ensure your trip is perfectly tailored to your needs. You can easily customize your itinerary using RoamAround by requesting specific travel preferences. For instance, you can ask the AI to make your trip more luxurious or budget-friendly or family-friendly, depending on the client's preferences and requirements. Let's put RoamAround to the test and ask it to generate a travel itinerary for Tokyo. Using the search tab, simply type in Tokyo and let RoamAround work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have a detailed 7-day itinerary for your trip to Tokyo, complete with suggested activities, attractions, and recommendations. It's a quick and hassle-free way to plan a trip to this city. How to market your services. Promote your travel planning services on Fiverr and other relevant platforms, such as social media, travel forums, and online communities. Use SEO techniques in your Fiverr gig title and description to increase your visibility in search results. Deliver exceptional service. Once you start receiving orders on Fiverr, deliver outstanding service to your clients. Communicate proactively and promptly with your clients, provide regular updates, and address any concerns or questions they may have. Aim to exceed your clients' expectations to build a positive reputation and generate repeat business. After completing orders on Fiverr, request reviews from your satisfied clients. Positive reviews and ratings can help attract more clients and boost your credibility. Additionally, ask your clients for referrals to their friends, family, or colleagues who may be interested in your travel planning services. Finally, if you're interested in learning about more ways to make money using AI with minimal effort, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. We'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to leverage AI for financial gain, so stay tuned for more and see you soon.